परमिशंस खोल।
कर दिया।
खोल दिया क्योंकि तूने मुझे अलाउ किया है।
मैंने पता है। just wait.
Olha a coisinha lá na cozinha. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Com a galera, o som tá bom. O som tá. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Não vem sozinha. O som tá bom. O som tá. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim.
Cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude duro. No te quites ahora, que tú solo empiezas. Mueve la cabeza y sacude duro. Balança é uma loucura. Morena, vem a meu lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Quero ver mexer com duro. Balança é uma loucura. Morena, vem a meu lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Oi, oi, oi. Para quebrar con duro, vamos a danzar con duro. Oi, 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 oi. Seja morena, loira, vem balançar con duro. Oi, oi, nobody don't like mine. Let it rain over me.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba.
Turn up the music cause the song just came on. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. Turn up the music, can I hear it till the speakers blow?
need it in my life, yeah. Turn up the music, just turn it up louder. Turn up the music, I need it in my life, yeah.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
बिल्कुल नीचे रखेंगे दवाई वो थोड़ी देर टाइम यहाँ नहीं बैठना कहीं अंदर बैठना
Uma galera, o som tá bom, o som tá. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Não vem sozinha, o som tá bom, o som tá. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim.
Una mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude duro. No te quites ahora, que tú solo empiezas. Mueve la cabeza y sacude duro. Balança é uma loucura, morena, vem a meu lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado, quero ver mexer com duro. Balança é uma loucura, morena, vem a meu lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Oi, 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 oi. É pra quebrar com duro, vamos dançar com duro. Oi, 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 oi. Seja morena, loira, vem balançar com duro. Oi, oi, oi.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba.
Turn up the music cause the song just came on. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. Turn up the music, can I hear it till the speakers blow? Turn up the music, fill your cup and drink it down. You're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in there. Put your hands up in there, girl, put your hands up in there. You're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in there. Put your hands up in there, girl, put your hands up. Turn up the music, just turn it up louder. Turn up the music, I need it in my life, yeah. Turn up the music, just turn it up louder. Turn up the music, I need it in my life, yeah.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
Like a one-man army. Ready? Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman pull up, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Bam, 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 a drum. Una mano arriba, cintura sola, da media.
Hi everyone, I welcome all of you, and you have made this day so special and so honorable for me and my family. I thank you from the core of my heart and welcome all of you. Welcome Sushil ji, welcome Anju ma'am, welcome Shok Sharma ji, Queenie ma'am. So nice of you. I'm so overwhelmed to see all of you. Welcome Arvind ji. Hi Mamta.
Hi.
Hi, Rita Gangwani ji, so sweet of you. You have come. Thank you so very much. Hi, Meenu. Hi, Pritesh ji. Naveen ji, thank you so much. Anju ma'am, hello. Lots of love. I've got your gifts and so many things, chocolates, cakes. So, so it's like so overwhelming for me, and I'm really very excited to have a lot of fun and a lot of joy and a lot of happiness to spread all over around and with you all. And hi Masi, Nikki Masi, hi Kiki Masi, hi Mosmi. So we have all around from all the cities, and I think we have covered whole of the India: Bangalore, Chennai, Gujarat, Delhi, Ahmedabad. So lots of cities, yeah. So that's really amazing to have fun in this. Mumbai and Uttarakhand. Okay, so Ambala. Okay. So Vishwaji, thank you so much. And mom, Hi, my mom is there in front of me. She's seeing on the mobile because she's having a little fever, so that she can see from there. And hi, Mosmi. I think Nikita, hello from Lucknow. Priya from Lucknow. This is really an honor for me to welcome all of you and to be there with all of you, because it's very, very special moment today on the 10th birthday of my daughter Prabjot Kaur, which we are celebrating today virtually, and it's a little joy what we can spread around with in this pandemic time, so that we can come all together and celebrate it and have some joy in this difficult times, and can see some happiness on the faces of everyone. So we are going to start this with a kickstart dance, so that we can get up with the energy. And I want everybody to dance on the steps. Can we? Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna. Hanji?
Sushil ji will do so.
Sushil ji will do so. Sushil ji,
how to dance on the screen. I don't know how to dance on the screen.
We have to dance on the screen.
Video
Hi.
off.
Many Linda.
Hi, Kavita. Hello,
Yes.
Halim. How many people are there? So I think, oh, wow. So Suhani. Hi, Uzma. She's from Lucknow. Mamta from Uttarakhand. So we have
from Uttar Pradesh.
from Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, one at the same thing. There's so many people from
Hi.
Maharashtra, from Bangladesh.
From Maharashtra, from Mumbai. Okay, a lot of people are there from Mumbai. So we have today is a DJ night. Today evening, we are going to start the show. So now, so let's play the music. Let's get up some energy and kickstart the show. Okay. Okay, I think. Preeti, can you play the song?
Okay, give it to me on what's my thought.
I think.
Times. पोल खोल रही हूँ.
Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Try. You will get it.
Right.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it to ride, so I keep living, cause it feels right, and it's so nice, and I'll do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better, and I like how it feels. 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 So just turn it up, let me go. I'm alive, yes or no, never stop. Give me more, more. 'Cause I like how it feels. Oh yeah, I like how it feels. You know I like how it feels. Oh yeah, I like how it feels. Show me love, make us one. Let's make a beautiful world. Take my hand, it's alright. 'Cause tonight We can fly, so we keep living, 'cause it feels right, and it's so nice, and I'll do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for this start, and I welcome who has joined now. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. And today, on this special day of Prabjot, her sister has prepared some dance performance for her and for everyone. So let's welcome Hargun Juneja, my sister's daughter. She's gonna perform.
I am setting up. Give me a minute. Meanwhile, introduce us.
Sure. Sure. Davinder Kaur is my sister. She's my elder sister. She's 5 years elder to me. And my daughter, let's see the little angel over here. She is literally in a princess dress. So here is Prabjot. Prabjot, say hi. Hello. Happy birthday, baby. Hi. She's Prabjot Kaur.
Prabjot.
Hi, Prabjot.
Happy birthday, Prabjot.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Prabjot.
Oh, wow, so many wishes, so many.
Very happy birthday to Prabjot.
Thank you.
Very happy birthday,
Thank
Prabjot.
you.
Wish you a long and happy life.
Thank you. Hi,
God
Punkesh. How
bless
are you? Thank you.
Prabjot.
Wow, so sweet. Dekho. Hi, Kanna.
Prabjot, you're looking so pretty. बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं आप.
Thank you. She's looking
Very
like an
pretty.
angel.
Happy
Yeah.
birthday, beta. Happy
Yes.
birthday.
She's listening. So many voices are coming out. Oh, from where?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Prabjot. Everybody is saying so many wishes. Wow. So let's start the dance performance.
Hope you can see it.
Wow. Yes, we can see that. Okay. She's Hargun Juneja. She's performing for everyone on the special day.
She has a screen, I think.
Yeah.
She has a screen.
You want to? Acha.
तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे बर्थडे है भाई बर्थडे है अकेले भाई का बर्थडे है कैंडल्स बुझ गई अब सब में केक बर्थडे है चिक सारी हॉट यहाँ पे कैंप सारे ठंडे हैं टेस्ट ले लिया पूरे साल आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
काय झाला तुझं नाम काय अवचू
तू चल मैं चलूं तू रुक मैं रुकूं अपने तो डेली है नए नए हंगामे तू गिरे मैं थामूं मैं गिरूं तू थामे अपने तो डेली है नए नए हंगामे वो मेरी डील है विद यू ओ बडी मुझे आती यही फील है
तू मेरे सर गुरु तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स है एक थाली के सारे है एक थाली के सारे है एक थाली के चट्टे बट्टे
भाई नाच पजामा पकड़ के बैठे आज लगेंगे तुझ पे सट्टे नाच पजामा पकड़ के बैठे Oh, just one more साल कुड़िया भी पहले जी अब हो गई तेरी हड्डियां दीवानी हड्डियां दीवानी हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे नाच पजामा पकड़ के बैठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फट्टे नाच पजामा पकड़ के बैठे चला 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 चला
That's so nice of you. Thank you. Thank you, Hargun, for such a lovely dance. Thanks a lot. Love you. So now we are going to play one video, which is very, very special from everybody's. Let's have a look, and let me share. Just a second.
Where is our birthday girl?
Birthday girl, just a second. Papa, birthday girl dikhao. Let me just hold on.
Where is our angel?
Angel is, I'm just showing the angel. Second.
Okay.
Okay.
जो कि बार्बी डॉल की फ्रॉक
ताली बजाओ।
मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई। हो मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी।
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन। I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
हाय जो मैं तेरी बड़ी बहन हरगुन, ज्यादा फेवरेट वाली वो तो नहीं है अपनी, आई नो। हैप्पी बर्थडे, यू टर्न 10, दैट्स अ ह्यूज नंबर नाउ। यहाँ आ जाना प्लीज, मैं बोर हो रही हूँ।
मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा।
Hi everyone. Today I have launched the cover page of my book officially on 18th of May. And this book is dedicated to my special angel, my daughter, Prabjot Kaur. And she has come in my life as a pure consciousness, as a pure soul, who has given me the purpose and mission in my lifetime. She is a medium of God, which has given me to find my purpose, to find my why I have come in this lifetime, what is my purpose behind on earth to help women who are suffering from indignity, disrespect, humiliation, and violence. I am on mission to help millions of women to raise the phoenix in themselves and live a supremely empowered and dignified life. And my book name is The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth. The Woman Power Unleashed. And I'm going to officially get this book inaugurated by my daughter, Prabjot Kaur, on her 10th birthday on 15th of May. It will be available on my website, on Amazon, on other, I think Flipkart as well. So I would like to dedicate one special poem for my daughter, which I have written in my book as well, written by Erma Bombeck, Heaven's Very Special Daughter, Prabjot Kaur. I would like to dedicate to her. A meeting was held quite far from the earth. It's time again for another birth. Said the angels to the Lord above, this special child will need more love. Her progress may seem very slow. Accomplishment she may not show. And she will require extra care from the folks she meets down there. She may not run or laugh or play. Her thoughts may seem quite far away. In many ways, she won't adapt. And she is known as special child. Oh, let's be careful. Where is she sent? We want this life to be content. Please, Lord, find the parents who will do a special job for you. They will not realize right away the leading role they are asked to play. But when this child sent from the above comes stronger faith and richer love, and soon they will know the privilege given in carrying the gift from heaven. Their precious charge, so meek and mild, is heaven's very special child. This is written by Erma Bombeck, and which is really, really heart-touching poem for me, because that's a very special story of mine and my angel. And thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, my daughter, Prabjot Kaur, who has given me the reason today to unleash the potential from me. Thank you. Lots of love and happy birthday to you, my daughter. Lots of
Happy birthday. I do my oh, tanda, tanda. Oh. Happy birthday to you.
तुमसे ज्यादा मैं ना जानूं, तुमसे खुद को मैं पहचानूं, तुमको बस मैं अपना मानूं माहिया।
बाबा जी मेहर जरूर करेंगे, कभी ना कभी करिश्मा आएगा, कोई ट्रीटमेंट इस तरह का आ जाए, बोलने लग जाए। बहुत ही प्यारी बच्ची है, 10 साल से हमारे पास आई हुई है और कुछ हमें कुछ सिखाने के लिए आई, कुछ हमारे लाइफ में भी चेंजेज आई। कोई टाइम था रिटायरमेंट के बाद मैं सोचती थी कि मैं कोई NGO ज्वाइन करूँगी, कोई ना कोई समाज सेवा करूँगी, कुछ काम करूँगी, लेकिन भगवान ने घर में ही समाज सेवा के लिए एक मुझे काम दे दिया। इससे अच्छा काम क्या हो सकता है कि अपने घर के बच्चे को ही मैं बड़े प्यार से, बड़े आराम से हम दोनों जने मिल के देखते हैं, और उसके नाना जी बड़े आराम से उसको देखते हैं, पालते हैं, करते हैं और करते रहते हैं। एक बहुत प्यारी बच्ची है और एक दो दिन अगर हम नहीं मिलते तो हमारा मन ही नहीं लगता उसके बगैर। ऐसा लगता है कि घर उदास सा हो गया, तो सारा दिन टाइम का पता ही नहीं लगता कि उसको बच्चों को संग खेलते रहते हैं। और बच्चा बहुत ही तरह हंसता है, समझता है सब कुछ, बस बोल नहीं सकती, बता नहीं सकती, सब कुछ समझती है। थैंक यू।
I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you.
आज हमारी एक ज्योत, प्रभज्योत, जिसका सर्टिफिकेट का नाम प्रभज्योत, आज उसका 10वां जन्मदिन है। 10 वर्ष की हो गई। एक ऐसा बच्चा जो स्पेशल चाइल्ड है, मैं उन सभी परिवारों को और माँओं को इसके माध्यम से यह संदेश देना चाह रहा हूँ कि एक ऐसा स्पेशल चाइल्ड जो बोल तो नहीं सकता, कुछ कह नहीं सकता, अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त करता है, ये महसूस करने की बात है। आप ऐसे बच्चे को जब छूते हैं, आपका स्पंदन, आपका जो प्यार है, जो आपका जो समर्पण है उसके साथ, वो उसके चेहरे पे आने वाली हंसी, जब वो दुखी हो तो उसके चेहरे पे आने वाले दुख के लक्षण, ये सारी चीज़ें भावों से व्यक्त होती हैं और इसको हम उसी भावों के माध्यम से ही समझ पाते हैं। और ऐसे बच्चों जो बोल नहीं पाते हैं, कितना समझते हैं, कितना सुनते हैं, ये तो नहीं हम समझते। मुझे याद आता है कि एक जो ऐसे पक्षी जो अपनी चहचहाहट के माध्यम से अपना संदेश दे देते हैं, ये कुछ ऐसे जो स्पेशल चाइल्ड हैं, उनकी चहचहाहट, उनकी हंसी ही इसका संकेत करा देती है। इसीलिए ये उसमें कहा गया कि चिड़ियों की चहचहाहट हमेशा हर्षगान का संकेत नहीं करती, उसके अंदर रुदन और क्रंदन छुपा है, यह तो उसकी भाषा को जानने वाला ही जाने। तो जो उसको प्यार करता है वो उसकी पीड़ा को भी समझता है और उसकी खुशी को भी महसूस करता है। और हम लोगों को ये सौभाग्य है कि हम ऐसे बच्चे की जिनका हम लोग लालन पालन कर रहे हैं पिछले 10 वर्षों से। एक ये बच्चा जो 10 साल का है, उसके अंदर वो निश्चल है, उसके अंदर कोई किसी तरह का कपट नहीं, छल नहीं, कोई पाप नहीं, क्योंकि वो कुछ समझता ही नहीं। इस दुनियादारी को उसने देखा, समझा ही नहीं कुछ, बस उसको तो प्यार की भाषा समझ में आती है। और आप जब उसके प्यार में उसके हाथ को छूते हो, उसको सहलाते हो, तो उसी में वो उसको लगता है कि समूचा आकाश उसके आगोश में आ गया। वो अपनी माँ के आंचल को थामती है, उसको ये लगता है कि पूरी कायनात उसके हाथों में है। ये तो महसूस करने की बातें हैं। ऐसे बच्चे भगवान की ऐसी देन है जिनका भगवान के साथ संपर्क पूरी आयु तक बना रहता है, और जिसका भगवान के साथ डायरेक्ट संपर्क बना हुआ हो वह बदनसीब तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता। ऐसे दूसरों के नसीब को भी संवारते हैं। ऐसे बच्चे दूसरों के जीवन में खुशियाँ लाते हैं। ये बच्चे खुशियाँ लाने के लिए ही हैं। मैं ऐसे अवसर पर इस बच्चे के प्रति अपना उसकी जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाई देते हुए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। जीवन इनका लंबा हो, बच्चा जो है वो स्वस्थ रहे और हमारी भावनाएं उसके साथ इसी तरह से जुड़ी रहें। और ये शायद मुझे या मेरी पत्नी को जो ये अवसर दिया है इस बच्चे ने, उससे प्यार करने का, उसके साथ अपना बचपन बिताने का। अपना बचपन लगता है कि बचपन हमें उसी तरह का लगता है कि जैसे हम उस बच्चे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तो ये एक बहुत खुशी है। आज उसका जन्मदिन मनाने के लिए हम सब एकत्र हुए हैं और उसी के अवसर पर मैं आप जो यहाँ आए हैं उन सबका भी धन्यवाद करता हूँ और आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ आप सबका। मैं इस बच्चे के प्रति अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त करने में शायद सक्षम नहीं, लेकिन यह बच्चा निश्चित तौर से एक हम लोगों के लिए शुभ संकेत है, हमारे जीवन को बनाने संवारने में और हमें खुशियां प्रदान करने में ये सहायक है। मैं इस बच्चे की पुनः इसके जन्मदिन की बधाई देता हूँ और ये बच्चा खुश रहे, इसी खुशी को बनाए रखे। मैं इससे ज़्यादा अपने भाव व्यक्त करने में असमर्थ महसूस कर रहा हूँ।
बिटिया चंदा से तू, सूरज से तू प्यारी, मेरी बिटिया चंदा से तू, सूरज से तू प्यारी। I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to on these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to on these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say.
Do you know God chooses mother for a special child? Do you want to listen to a story? How Prabjot Kaur has chosen me as her special mother? So let me just tell you the story. Most women become mothers by accident, some by choices, few by social pressures, and couple by habit. Have you ever wondered how mothers of special children are chosen? How God has planned? From heaven, God keep on hovering on earth and selecting his instruments for propagation and great care. As he observes, he instructs his angels to make note in a big giant ledger. He announces the names like Arushi, Annie's daughter, Petron, Saint, Matthew, and so on. And finally, God passes a name to an angel and smiles, give her a special child. The angel is curious. Why this one God? She's so happy. Exactly, said God. Could I give a special child to a mother who does not know what is laughter? This would be cruel. Angel asked, but does she have patience? God said, I don't want her to have too much patience, so she will drown in a sea of self-pity and despair. Once the shock and resentment wear off, she will handle it. Angel said, but God, I don't think she even believes in you. God smiled at the angel and said, no matter, I will fix it. This one is perfect. She has just enough selfishness. Angel gasps, selfishness? Is that a virtue? God nods. If she can't separate herself from the child occasionally, she will never able to survive. Yes, here is a woman whom I will bless with a child less than perfect. She does not realize it yet, but she is to be envied. She will never take a spoken word for granted. She will never consider a step ordinary. When her child says Ma to her for the first time, she will be witness to a miracle and know it. When she describes a tree or a sunset to her special child, she will see it as few people even see my creations. I will permit her to clearly see the things I see. I ignorance, cruelty, prejudice, and allow her to raise above them. She will never be alone. I will be at her side every minute of every day of her life because she is doing my work as surely as she is here by my side. So Angel asked, what about her patron saint? God's pen poised in mid-air. God smiles. A mirror will surface. That is how my angel Prabjot Kaur has chosen me, her special mother. She said to me, Ma, you are exactly what I need. Don't ever doubt that, not even for a single second. Thank you. Lots of love, you, my daughter, Prabjot Kaur.
अच्छी है, तो प्यारी बच्ची है ना।
रितु बेटी बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है।
हेलो, इसके बिना मन नहीं लगता है ना। थोड़ी देर दूर हो जाती है, ऐसे लगता है कब मिलो इधर से, जल्दी से मिलो इधर से ना। और इसका बर्थडे आने वाला है, हैप्पी बर्थडे। 10 साल की होने वाली है ना जो। बर्थडे मनाएगी, केक कटना। हैप्पी बर्थडे जोत, 10 साल की हो गई है जोत। अच्छा से मनाएंगे पार्टी, है ना।
हाय जोत, हैप्पी बर्थडे। और 10 साल की हो गई, इतनी बड़ी मतलब मेरे को तो अभी भी याद है। हम अफगान जलेबी लगाते थे और कैसे ताली ताली बजाते थे, कैसे खुश होती थी, है ना। जल्दी से मिलने आते हैं, एकदम फुल पार्टी करेंगे, केक खाएंगे, एकदम मज़े करेंगे। उनको बताइए मम्मा, तू मेरी ना फेवरेट वाली सबसे छोटी बहन है, ठीक है। उसको मत बताइए। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
जोत, हैप्पी बर्थडे। कैसे हो बेटा? आप बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे, आप खेलोगे, स्कूल जाओगे। हमें आपसे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं, आप बड़े हो जाओ, जल्दी खड़े हो जाओ। गॉड ब्लेस यू। इज्जत हमें सब बहुत जानते हैं। इज्जत हमें बड़ा लाड करती है। हम जैसे ही कमरे में जाते हैं हंसती है। बस।
Hey, my sweet little angel. Igjot, love you, love you, love you. You are a blessing in somebody's life. You're such an amazing, beautiful girl. Such a beautiful girl. Happy birthday to you. Wish you loads and loads of happiness. वो तेरी खुशी, वो तेरी हंसी, आय हाय दिल खुश कर देती है. Thanks for being there in our life. You've been a blessing to all of us, not only to your mother, but to all of us. You taught us so much. You actually have encouraged us to be within you. You are the one who is a real soul. You are the one who's the pure soul. We've learned so much from you. इस दुनिया की भाग दौड़ में हमें यही समझ नहीं आता कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. We need to learn so much from souls like you. Thank you so much for being there for us. Love you.
म्यूट कर देंगे।
छोटे होते से
Yeah, welcome back.
ये मेरी अपनी फोटो आ रही है.
So how was the video?
Very touching, amazing. Awesome, loved it.
Amazing video, amazing tribute. I mean, it's so touching.
That was
नानी को, मम्मी
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Hi, Duriya. She's a female biker, truck driver from. I just took her interview from. She's from Gujarat, and she's driven from Surat to Singapore all the way in 39 days. Yeah, she has. Duriya, can you please tell us about yourself, Duriya? Can you please introduce?
Hello everyone, how are you? First of all, wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Prabhajot.
Thank you, Prabhjot is listening.
How's she?
She's good, she's good. She's good.
वो किसी और नाल कर रही है.
Okay, myself Duraiya Mustafa Tapia from Surat, Gujarat. Already नरेंद्र जी ने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन तो दे दिया है और रिसेंटली उन्होंने मेरा इंटरव्यू भी लिया हुआ था. उनके डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे बहुत ही बड़ा चांस मिला हुआ था और बहुत सारी फीमेल्स को वो इस तरह से लाइक एम्पावर कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए कांग्रेचुलेशन नरेंद्र जी.
थैंक यू सो मच.
और मेरे लिए मैं बात करना चाहूंगी कि लाइक 2016 में मैंने सूरत से सिंगापुर ऑन बाइक पे किया हुआ था. हमारा मिशन था बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का, नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हम लोग मैसेज लेकर गए हुए थे. दैट टाइम वी आर 4 गर्ल्स. रोड ट्रिप की हुई थी 10 नेशन के लिए और 2017 में मैंने सूरत से खारडुंगला किया हुआ था जो 18,300 ऊपर है. आप सब जानते हो कि खारडुंगला किस तरह से जाते हैं. ओके एंड अभी रिसेंटली मैंने ट्रक राइड की हुई है, नेशन वाइड ट्रक राइड, जिसमें लाइक ये पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन जो चल रही है उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए डिफरेंट स्टेट में जाकर जितने भी गांव है, जिसमें मैंने लाइक 4,500 से भी ऊपर मैंने गांव कवर किए हुए थे और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया हुआ है. लाइक सैनिटाइजर है, ये फिर मास्क है, सैनिटरी पैड्स है एंड डस्टबिन. इसमें सेम थिंग नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हम लोग मैसेज लेकर गए हुए थे जिसमें सशक्त नारी सशक्त भारत है, स्वच्छ भारत है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत है। इस तरह से मैं मैसेज लेकर गई हुई थी। 13 स्टेट किया हुआ था 35 डेज में, 10,000 किलोमीटर।
Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So let's have some ice breaking questions from Devinder. Can we start? Devinder, can you unmute yourself, Preeti?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I don't know how do you want to choose the people who would answer it first, but we can have some amazing, funny questions coming up here. Just to change the format a little from emotional to laughing.
Yes.
And more changing. My first question goes to you. Let's see who wants to. So would you like to raise hands, and how do you want to do it?
Unmute.
Unmute
first.
Okay, let's try this out.
Okay.
My first question to you. Funny question, answer could be funny, answer could be tricky. Just find out if you know it. What is always coming but never arrives? Let me give it to you in Hindi. कुछ ऐसा जो आ रहा है but आता नहीं.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. I have kept it very simple once, I guess. Okay. Let me try. So I should have gone a little more tricky. No problem. Okay, my next question. Why do some cricket players never sweat? Okay, this seems to be a good one now. पसीना क्यों नहीं आता उन्हें?
वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी
No one gets it. Why cricketers? Some
Yes,
cricketers
I know. Because they're playing online.
No.
That both cricket online.
क्योंकि उनके बहुत फैन है।
Yes. Who was this?
That's good.
Cool.
Somebody at
Got
the
lot of
back.
fans.
They have got a lot of fans. All right. The third question. Imagine. Okay, should I go for third?
Nice.
Beautiful. That's a beautiful one.
Next.
Let me go for a third one. The third one is imagine you are in a sinking rowboat, okay, surrounded by sharks. How would you survive?
I know this. Can I answer?
Imagine you are in a boat surrounded by sharks. How will you survive? आप एक नाव में अपने आप को imagine कीजिए. Sharks हैं.
Imagine करना बंद कर देना.
Very good. Stop imagining.
There you go, Gunjan Batra, daughter. Okay. Yes. आजकल की जनरेशन को ऑलरेडी ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं. सो छोटे वाले आइटम्स प्लीज बड़े वालों को थोड़ा सा दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करने दीजिए.
Right.
Okay. I go for the next one.
Let us think also.
Because my daughter kept answering every one of it, so I know, how you guys must be doing it. If you are in a dark room with a candle, a wood stove, and a gas lamp, you only have one match. So what do you light first?
Stick.
The match itself.
Stick. Matchstick.
Yes.
This was easy. This was easy.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, the next one. Bay of Bengal is in which state?
Sorry?
Liquid state.
Ah, very nice.
What is this? Mostly.
Liquid state. Liquid
Oh,
state.
yeah.
Uzma.
I think
Not
she
you.
said Bay of Bengal. I didn't hear it. Yeah, perfect.
It's in a liquid state. Funny hai wo. All right. The next one. If you throw a red stone into a blue sea, what it will become? लाल पत्थर नीले सागर में डालने से वो क्या
It will
बन जाएगा?
remain red.
Wet.
It will remain red.
They said it will get wet. That's the right answer.
Oh, it will get wet.
It will get wet, whatever color it is. Okay, the next one. Which month has 28 days?
All the months.
Very simple one.
All the months. All the
I'm
months.
sure you must have thought February. Let me answer it first.
This I know. All the months.
All months have 28 days or more. So yes, that's the answer. All right, going for next. Which word is spelt wrong in every dictionary?
Wrong. The word wrong. Everyone knows
Here you applied your mind.
It means
The wrong word is spelled wrong in every dictionary.
every dictionary. Wrong.
Amazing. Okay, the next one. What is middle of Paris?
Sorry?
What is middle of Paris?
R.
And Nirmit, you're too smart. You'll have to just keep quiet for a second.
What is in the middle of Paris?
R.
R.
The word R.
True.
The letter R. R.
Yeah, the letter R.
P-A-R-I-S.
R-I-S. Yes, the letter R.
All right. I think I'm on the last one now. So the ones who have not answered want to try, please try that. On a menu. Acha, this is not very funny. This is very intelligent one. Okay. So people who know it may answer it. On a menu, what is Bombay duck? Mumbaiyakar is there. Somebody in Mumbai is there.
Yeah, that is a fish. Bombay.
Yes,
That's a
Bombay
fish.
duck
Bombay
is
duck is
in a
no duck,
menu
but a
which is a
fish.
fish.
That's a fish.
She's from
Big clapping and a
Calcutta
big
and
round of
Mumbai,
applause
so-
for all of you.
Fish, I know.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Right.
much, Devendra. That was fun.
That was fun. So now let's have some more fun now. So have you heard about Michelangelo? Michelangelo?
Yes.
Can we make some recipe out of it? Can we? So I'm gonna make one ice cream of Michelangelo. This is ice cream. Yeah. So I'm gonna put ice cream in this bowl. I'm putting ice cream in this bowl, and I have got bundi ka laddus. Yeah. So let's make some Michelangelo, and let's try. How I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna crush this laddu in this ice cream. Wow, this is strawberry pulp ice cream, and bundi ka laddu in this ice cream.
My mouth's
And
watering.
some roasted coffee in
Wow.
this. This is wow, what an aroma.
We can only imagine.
I'll send you, my dear. so this is something. Then
You're
I'm
making me want to have
putting some cashews in this ice cream.
Yummy.
Strawberry, bundi ka laddu, and cashew,
And
and
coffee.
roasted coffee. So how about it putting in this cup? One ice cream, and let's try this. How it look like? Wow, this is looking so yummy. I'm gonna send it to all of you. Where is my coffee? Oh. So look at that. This is
Oh,
Michelangelo.
Wow. Chocolate cup. Wow.
Some roasted coffee on that. Yeah. Wow. You can have a look and you can try it at home. This is so yummy. Shall I try it?
Yeah, try. Go ahead. This is the saga of online parties.
So let me click the picture. Let me send it to all of you so that you can also enjoy with me. Okay. Wow. This is.
I need to go and get the cranberry ice cream in my fridge. I'm really going to getting it because seeing you eat ice cream is torture.
Okay. So you also eat with me. You can have a look
I'm
on your
bringing the-
WhatsApp. Check it out now.
I will
Go it here again.
my cranberry ice cream.
You've been pinned now.
Okay. Look at the oh sure.
Oops.
Oh yeah.
Look at the ice cream. This is so yummy. Okay, now
So how comes my cranberry ice cream?
so let's have a cake cutting ceremony now. We have got a special cake today. This is something. I've got pinata cake. Just a second.
Wow.
Wow.
Pinata
Let's
cake.
break it.
Let's break it. Let's break this cake.
Oh,
You have a hatoda in the hand now. Let's have
Hatoda.
Okay. Okay, just a second. Can't see the cake. Okay, we have two cakes. One special cake from Anju ma'am, Sushil ji, Meenal ma'am, and this
Such
is so
a beautiful
special, so
cake.
special. I got this today for my
beautiful.
princess. Thank you so much, Sushil ji. Thank you so much,
Very
Anju ma'am.
nice.
Thank you,
It
Meenal
looks
ma'am.
yummy.
Lots and lots of gratitude to all of you. And it's such a special time and such a memorable and such a yummy cake. I would like to actually share with all of you. Now we'll cut this cake first, then we'll cut pinata cake. So, Preeti, can you play the music? Nice.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Info bells. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too. Info bells.
Get pinata
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new.
Happy birthday to you. My lovely Betty. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Beautiful cake. Beautiful.
बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तो जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार दिन ये बार बार दिल ये
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हजारों साल ये मेरी है। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ओहो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, आहा बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
music off kar do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So today, I would like to tell my dad to give vote of thanks, and before that, I would like to tell
भाई जी देखो मार्क मुझपा के क्या
Sushil ji,
करते
please to I would like to say to please say a few words for Prabjot and give her blessings.
Hi Narinder.
Hi Aarti.
Happy birthday Prabjot.
Thank you so much, Aarti. Thanks a lot.
Happy birthday to the angel.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you please, thank you so much, everyone. Can you please mute everyone, and please, Sushil ji, to request you to please say a few words.
I think if everybody can switch on the camera for the last time, and somebody can take a picture also.
Yeah. Mobile.
Is going on and off.
Already taking.
That's great.
Oh, wow.
So I would say that it's a very touching and very emotional moment. And for the first time, we are privileged to attend such a beautiful party, I would say. We have attended parties where people are enjoying cokes and shots and whatever else. So for the first time, we have been emotionally involved. So this is, I think, a great move and a great start for a big revolution. So जिंदगी में बड़ा कुछ आता है. I think like Devinder also said that कहाँ खोए हुए हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, we do not know. But this kind of events, this kind of birthdays, this kind of involvement makes us feel what's the real meaning of life. And a lot of effort Ritu has put up even to organize all this today. And more importantly is to bring everybody on the same platform. And she dared to, I would say, convey this message. The important is not that whether we like it today or whether we're happy or unhappy. More important is that this is a big message to all of us that how important it is to deal with the emotions and how loving it is to deal with the emotions. It's not only important, it's living, and it's being good. I think there are a lot of people who are unmute.
Everybody, please, right now, I think some voice is coming.
Yeah. So it's important that we should realize that whatever has happened today in all of our lives, I think like Narinder has gone through all this, I think today we all have gone through this. We are realizing that how much important love and emotions are in our life. And we are always running after some thankless things, and we are never thankful to God what has been given. And the way she has expressed herself that this is my angel and this is my princess, and the beautiful poem she has put up, I think it's heartwarming and welcoming to all of us. We must learn that, okay, life is important, soul is important, every breath is important. Today, when everybody is struggling for a single breath, we are trying to save everybody around. So in this time, such a critical time, listening to such beautiful things, we are privileged. Thank you, Narendra. Thank you, everyone, for being part of this, and thank you for making us part of it.
Can you please mute everyone? Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. And I would like to say for Sushil ji, he's like, he's my mentor. He's my godfather, and he has given me so much of blessings, and the whole family of sir and Anju ma'am. I would like to give my gratitude to you and your family. Thanks a lot, sir, for being such an inspiration in my life. Rita Gangwani ji, can you please unmute yourself if you can say please 2 few words for her?
First of all, good evening, everyone. In fact, I completely agree with Sushil ji that it's the first time I have attended such a beautiful birthday. Most of the birthdays I have attended are all physical, you know, people are trying to show off stuff. But this is the first birthday I've seen which has come straight from the heart. And thank you so much for making me a part of such a beautiful moment. And they say, Sushil sir said कि this is the time कि हमको परिवार को समझना है. और मैं ये कहूँगी कि परिवार को परिवार क्यों कहते हैं? परिवार को परिवार इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि परिवार में ही परवाह होती है. और वो परवाह, वो केयर आपने जो अपने वीडियो के थ्रू दिखाई, that's absolutely heart touching. और मेरे लास्ट वर्ड यही रहेंगे कि प्रभजोत जैसी बच्चियां हर घर में कहाँ होती हैं? प्रभजोत जैसी बच्चियां हर घर में कहाँ होती हैं? खुदा की जिस घर में रहमत हो ना, बस वही होती हैं. और आप जैसी मदर जो इतनी केयरिंग है और ये जो मोमेंट आपने नाना नानी के दिखाए, आपकी जो हाउस हेल्प है, वो उन सब की ये इमोशनल मोमेंट्स देख के सचमुच में दिल भर आया। मेरा दिल से आशीर्वाद है कि प्रभजोत एक दिन आपको इतना प्राउड फील कराएगी कि आप वाकई में याद रखेंगे इस मोमेंट्स को। थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग मी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Love you so much.
Thank you.
I met her. I met the journey of mine with Rita ji is like she was the judge in Mrs. India contest. So my soul somehow got connected with her. So when I participated in that context, so she was like unknown to me and I was unknown to her. And after that, somehow I called her directly and I met her. I went to her home and then the journey started and we became so close to each other. So today, like just a call away, just message away. So this is how so close we are to each other. So sweet of you. Thank you so much. I would like to request Ashok Sharma ji to please, Queenie ma'am, to please say a few words.
I think you're on mute. You'll have to unmute.
You're muted.
Okay.
Yeah. No, both of us have enjoyed this and it's been very moving emotionally for us. It's such a beautiful party. Bless you, Ritu, too, and give you the courage and strength to you and to your parents. Who, I'd say, they're very inspiring. What your father said, it was very nice. And I hope this message spreads, people understand compassion, love, and the way you've been giving all around what it takes and what it, inspires you to, to find patience and the strength within you. So this is really beautiful. And we wish Prabjot a healthy, happy life. And to all of you, the courage and patience to carry on and enjoy this gift which you have. So God bless you all. It was very good. God bless you from both of us.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your words and for your blessings, actually. It means a lot to me and my family.
Always.
Thanks
Always.
Thanks a lot. So my dad is gonna say vote of thanks to all of you. So he's there with me.
Mute the mobile. Mute mobile.
आज के क्षणों को आप लोगों ने जितना सुखद बनाया है उससे ज्यादा भावुक बना दिया। मैं आप सबका हृदय से कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं। आज विश्व परिवार दिवस है और आज आप सब परिवार यहाँ उपस्थित हैं। आप सबका मंगलमय हो जीवन, आपका परिवार सुखद रहे, ये भी कामना करता हूं आज इस अवसर पर। दुख और सुख ये जीवन में हम लोगों की तरह धूप और छाया की तरह होते हैं और हम लोगों को कभी भी दुख से विचलित नहीं होना चाहिए और खुशियों के अवसर ढूंढने चाहिए। मुझे याद है 9th या 10th की क्लास में एक हिंदी में था, सुमित्रा नंदन पंत की एक कविता थी, सुख और दुख। सुख दुख के मधुर मिलन से यह जीवन हो परिपूर्ण। घन कभी बादल जो है वो चंद्रमा के सामने आ जाता है और कभी बादल फिर चंद्रमा के पीछे चला जाता है। यही दुख और सुख है। हमें हमेशा उस चंद्रमा की और उस चमक की तलाश रखनी चाहिए और उसको भरपूर आनंद के साथ उसका मनाना चाहिए और ये इंतजार करना चाहिए कि दुख के बाद सुख का आना अनिवार्य है। ये एक प्रकृति का नियम है और इस नियम के तहत ये चल रहा है। तो ये जो खुशियां हैं, इनके पलों को आपको ढूंढ करके मनाना है। कैसे मनाना है ये आप पर निर्भर करता है। हम खुशियों को भी टाल देते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं, यहां हम कहीं ना कहीं पिछड़ से जाते हैं। तो आज ये अवसर, जिसमें आप लोगों ने इस अवसर को एक स्वर्णिम अवसर बना दिया, और आपने आज जो अपने आशीर्वाद के माध्यम से, अपनी भावनाओं के माध्यम से जो इस दिवस को एक मेमोरेबल यादगार के रूप में हमारे समक्ष दिया, मैं आप सबका हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सब जीवन में सुखी रहेंगे। मैं जो भी हमारे बीच में आप लोगों ने इतना समय निकाला और इस समय का आज पूरा हम लोगों को अवसर दिया कि हम इसको पूरी तरह से एंजॉय कर सकें, मैं फिर धन्यवाद करता हूं, क्योंकि धन्यवाद के लिए मात्र शब्द नहीं, ये भावनाएं होती हैं जिनको आप व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, और सामने वाला उस भावनाओं को समझ जाए तो फिर तो चार चांद लग जाता है। मैं फिर आपका धन्यवाद करते हुए आपका सम्मान करता हूं और खुशी व्यक्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, uncle. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Mama is coming.
सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मैं आज इतनी खुशी हुई इस चीज के लिए कि आपने सबने इतना कीमती अपना समय निकाल के हमारे बच्चे के लिए अटेंड किया और इसको एंटरटेन किया और इतना अच्छा भावुक बना दिया कि मैं वहाँ दूर से बैठ के देखती रही, लेकिन मैं रह नहीं पाई। धन्यवाद देने के लिए इधर आई हूँ, क्योंकि अभी इस तरह से ही चल रहा है। बाकी रिलेटिव्स और कोलीग्स और जितने फ्रेंड्स, जितने बच्चे, मेरी बड़ी बेटी, सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, सबको जिसमें ये इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया और अटेंड किया। धन्यवाद सबको।
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for making this day so memorable, so special for me and for my family. It's literally in most of my years and in my life, this has been it's golden moments for me today. So thanks a lot, everyone, and lots of gratitude for attending this event and making it a memorable one. Lots of love, lots of blessings to all of you, and thank you.
God
so
bless
much.
so much, and blessings for our lovely angel as well. Once again, happy birthday to her.
God bless
Thank
you
you
all.
so much.
Many happy returns of the day.
Love you.
Thank you so much. Love you all.
God bless.
Thank
Happy
you so
birthday
much.
to the angel again.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thanks a lot. She's from Chennai.
bless.
So
I would say party अभी बाकी है.
पार्टी अभी बाकी है. पार्टी अभी बाकी है. Party we're gonna have a physical party, yes, very soon. Once this lockdown is over, we are all set to throw a party.
Okay, take care.
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Lots of love. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Lots of love.
Letting me know what's real.
Bye bye. Love you.
Bye. Love you. Love you. Love you, lot.
What I've got is
Love you. Bye bye.
I've ever hoped for. And a lot of what I've hoped for is standing here. No mountain, no valley.